This is a short video on adding a Google Calendar to your website page. First, delete the Google Calendar on the page if there is one. Open your Google Calendar. If the layout looks different, ensure the calendar is set to Weekly View. You can change this from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Click on the blue highlighted bar. If you click outside the blue highlight, it will show a different menu. From the pop-up, select Share. Click on the Website Embed tab, then choose Inline Booking Page. Click Copy Code, followed by Done. Go back to your Google Sites template. In the Insert panel, click on Embed. Select Embed Code from the pop-up menu. Right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl-V to paste the code. Click Next, then Insert. Move the embedded calendar to your desired position on the page. Preview the site to see how it looks. Notice the calendar may cut off. To extend the height, double-click the calendar to open the embedded code. In the code, find the height value, set to 600, and change it to 1000. Preview the site again to see the full calendar on desktop. On mobile devices, some cropping may occur. This is a common limitation when embedding Google Calendar into Google Sites. You can experiment by adjusting the height value in the code to find a better viewable area. If embedding the calendar isn't how you'd like it to look, you can add a direct link to Google Calendar instead. Go back to Google Calendar, click the Share button, and select Copy Link. Click Done. Return to your Google Sites page, and in the Pages panel, add a new link. Paste the URL and give it a name. Preview and test the link. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Calendar or added a link directly to it on your Google Sites page.